Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I want to talk about a simple and easy hack that you can use to generate some video ideas if you have a brand new YouTube channel. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. And I know a lot of people are starting their YouTube channels, launching their side projects, but if you have 0 subscribers, 0 views, how do you pick YouTube topics? What topics do you make videos on? So I'm going to share a very simple and easy hack. You can do a lot of keyword research and go that route, but in this video I want to share a very simple and easy tactic that you can use to generate some powerful ideas for your initial videos on your brand new channel. All right, now let's look at this. Here I am already on my YouTube channel. And let's say, so my niche is social media marketing, digital marketing, Facebook ads, that's my niche. So the first thing I want to do is I'll search for my niche. So I'm just going to go here and let's say I'll search for social media marketing. And basically what I want to do is find some channels, other creators in my niche. So I'll click on filter and let's click on channel. And then here are some channels, and you can already see I'm subscribed to all of these channels: Social Media Examiner, 5-Minute Social Media, Jordan, Iman Ghazi, a lot of these people, right? All right, so let's say 5-Minute Social Media. So I'll click on that channel, and then I want to click on their videos, and then sort by. So right now it's sorted by the newest. I want to go to most popular. Now this is very powerful because now I can see other people, so potentially my competition, and these are not really my competition because I'm just starting from 0 and these guys probably have millions and millions of subscribers, but these are channels in my niche. These are the videos that I potentially want to create, and once I look at the most popular videos on their channel, I know what topics are trending. I know what topics are popular in my niche or in my target audience. So this is very powerful. You can, what I would suggest is, if I was just starting out from 0 today, make a list of 5 channels that are in your competition or in your niche, look at their videos, look at the top videos, top 10 videos from each channel, and now you have 50 video ideas. And these video ideas are not just random. If these topics have done well on these channels, they're likely to do well on yours as well. So here's another thing. So for example, this video right here, how to use Instagram stories, and on this channel, this topic had 206,000 views. So his subscribers are 75,000. So he had a lot more views than the subscriber base, right? So this tells me this topic is very popular on YouTube among my target demographic, right? Very powerful. And again, the thing is, do not just copy the same video or the same idea. So if he's talking about, if this video is about how to use Instagram stories 2019, I can create how to use Instagram stories in 2020, right? Or 5 tips to use Instagram stories in 2020. So you can use variations of these ideas, but this will at least tell you that what topics you should focus on in the beginning. Here's another one. So Facebook tutorial for posting on a business page, how to create a Facebook event, best practices. So that tells me a lot of people want to learn about Facebook events. So maybe 5 best tips to create Facebook events. So you can create something like how to schedule Instagram posts. So scheduling on Instagram is a very popular topic. I can create a video on how to schedule Instagram stories. So it's very different from this, but again, I'm talking about scheduling and Instagram. So this is how easily, in just few seconds, it took us like 2 minutes, and we can generate like a lot of video ideas, topics that are popular. So let's actually look at, I'm gonna go back to social media marketing and let's look at another channel. So I'm gonna go back to channels, Social Media Examiner, and again, the idea is you find other channels in your niche, people who are speaking to the same audience that you want to speak to, and then you look at their most popular videos, and then you start making a list of different ideas that you can create if you're starting from 0, if you have 0 views and 0 subscribers. All right, so on this too, I'll sort by most popular, and then I can make a Google Sheet, Excel sheet, Google Doc, whatever it may be, and then start writing down these ideas. So for example, look at this, how to use Instagram hashtags, right, for maximum exposure. So Instagram hashtag is a very popular topic. A lot of people on Instagram, they want to know how to use the right hashtag. And I can, by looking at this, I can create a video that talks about how to use Instagram hashtag to grow your followers, right? How to find the best hashtags for your business account. So they're very similar to this topic. How to recover a disabled Facebook ad account. So that's another very popular topic. If you're running Facebook ad and they get disabled, you want to get it back as soon as possible. So very cool. How Instagram hashtags work. So here's another cool thing. There are 2 popular videos, right? The first one, and then this is the 6th one on this channel about Instagram hashtags. So what this tells me, if you're just starting out and you want to talk about social media, Instagram, then Instagram hashtag is a very hot topic on YouTube. So this is how you can use this quick tactic, and in a couple of minutes, go to the channels in your niche, look at their popular videos, and start writing down those ideas. Do not copy them title by title or the video by video. Get inspiration from those ideas. So if you're starting from brand new channel, you can generate a lot of video ideas and proven ideas, not just random ideas. These titles or these ideas are already working well on other channels, so they're likely to work well on yours as well. Now, before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And if you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.